Georgetown was 88 degrees under mostly sunny skies. A few other locations at 4 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for Kent County in central Delaware, northwestern Sussex County in southern Delaware, northwestern Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 9 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 1 inch or less of rain has fallen already. However, a line of thunderstorms is quickly forming over the warned area. These storms will move over the same areas in the next 1 to 2 hours. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dover, Easton, Talbot, Smyrna, Milford, Denton, Harrington, Camden, Clayton, Greensboro, Oakland, Ridgely, Cheswell, St. Michael's, Bowers, Goldsboro, Queen Anne, Woodside, Viola, and Hartley. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. And the relative humidity 87%. The wind was west at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.78 inches in County in eastern Maryland, southern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 9 p.m. Maryland and the Little Choptank River until 5:45 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Choptank River to near Taylor's Island, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. At 5 p.m. in Philadelphia International Airport, light rain was falling. The temperature was 79 degrees, the dew point 75 degrees, and the relative humidity 87%. The wind was west at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.78 inches in White Wilmington. It was 76 degrees with light rain. The official National Weather Service forecast for Philadelphia and the Delaware Valley. p.m. at Philadelphia International Airport, light rain was falling. The temperature was 79 degrees, the dew point 75 degrees, and the relative humidity 87%. The wind was west at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.9 inches with light. At Wilmington, it was 76 degrees with light rain. The current time is 5:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until 6:15 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Slaughter Beach to 10 nautical miles west of Cape Henlopen, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near. Rain wind chill light around 6:05 p.m. Ground chill light around 6:15 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. At 5 p.m. at Philadelphia International Airport, light rain was falling. The temperature was 79 degrees, the dew point 75 degrees, and the relative humidity 87%. The wind was west at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.78 inches and rising. At Wilmington, light rain was falling. The temperature was 76 degrees.